Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Connor. It's Lila. How are you today?
Hi, Lila. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm good too. Thanks for asking. I'm glad we could talk on the phone today. I wanted to catch up and share some updates. How have you been lately?
I've been quite busy with work and family, but overall, I'm fine. I've also been trying to keep up with my health and daily routine. How is everything on your side?
Things are going well here. I've been focusing on a better work-life balance and taking some time to relax. I recently started a new exercise routine, and I've been feeling more energetic.
That's great to hear. I've been doing some jogging every morning. It helps me clear my head before starting my day. Have you tried any new activities lately?
Yes, I began doing yoga in the mornings. It's very calming, and it helps me focus better during the day. I also read a little more before bed, which helps improve my sleep.
Yoga is a fantastic idea. I should try it sometime. I usually listen to soft music when I work out. By the way, how is your family?
My family is good, thank you. My mom and dad are healthy and busy with their own work, and my younger brother is doing well at school. We often call each other during the weekends. What about your family, Connor?
My family is also fine. I live with my parents, and my sister is in college now. We try to have dinner together at least once a week, even though everyone is busy. It helps us stay connected.
That's really nice. Family time is so important. I miss our family dinners when I was younger.
I know what you mean. It always feels good to share a meal and talk about our day. Speaking of which, have you been keeping up with any fun plans lately?
Actually, yes. I was thinking of meeting a few friends this weekend to visit the new art exhibition downtown. I heard it's very interesting, with lots of modern art and interactive displays.
That sounds like a lot of fun. I've been meaning to check out that exhibition as well. Maybe we can go together.
I'd love that, Connor. We can meet with some other friends too, if they are free. It would be a great way to enjoy the weekend and see some new art.
Absolutely. I can call my friend Sarah. She loves art too. Do you know what time the exhibition opens?
Yes, I checked online earlier. It opens at 10 a.m. on Saturday. I was thinking of meeting at the entrance around 9:45 a.m. so we can get tickets together.
That works perfectly for me. I will also check if there is a special event or workshop at the exhibition. Sometimes they have live performances or guided tours.
Good idea. I love guided tours. They explain the artworks and give more context to what you see.
Speaking of events, have you heard about the community concert in the park next Sunday?
I have. I think it's a free event with live music and food stalls. It sounds like a lovely way to spend a Sunday afternoon.
Yes, I'm planning to go if the weather is nice. I like outdoor concerts because you can relax and enjoy the music in nature.
Me too. I always try to get outside and enjoy the fresh air. Sometimes I feel that spending time outdoors really helps me reduce stress.
Definitely. I also take my camera when I go out to capture little moments, like a beautiful sunset or a smile from a stranger.
That's wonderful, Connor. I have a small camera too, and I love taking photos of nature and the city.
It seems we share many interests, Lila. It's great to have a conversation like this that makes us feel connected and excited about life.
I completely agree. Talking on the phone like this reminds me how important it is to keep in touch and share our experiences.
Yes, I feel that regular communication, even simple calls like this, can brighten our day. I try to call my family and friends often to ask, "How are you?" and "What's new?"
I do that too. I believe that asking about each other's day is a small gesture that shows we care.
Exactly. Even if we are busy, a quick call can make a big difference.
By the way, after the art exhibition this Saturday, would you like to have lunch together? I know a nice cafe nearby that serves healthy food.
That sounds great. I would love to join you for lunch after the exhibition. Healthy food is very important to me.
Wonderful. I also enjoy a good cup of coffee. The cafe has delicious coffee and a relaxed atmosphere, perfect for chatting after a busy morning.
I'm looking forward to it. It will be a good break from work and a nice way to end the day.
Speaking of work, how has your week been? Have you had a busy schedule?
Yes, my week has been quite busy with meetings and projects at work, but I always try to find time for myself. I even go for a short run in the evenings to clear my mind.
That's great. I believe that balancing work and personal time is key to a happy life. I try to do yoga and read a book in the evening. It helps me relax before bed.
I completely agree. It's important to take care of both our mind and body.
I also make sure to eat healthy. I prepare simple meals at home and try to avoid too much fast food.
That's smart. I do the same. Sometimes I cook pasta with vegetables and lean meat. It is not only delicious, but also good for my health.
It sounds like we are both working hard to live a balanced life.
Yes, we are. And conversations like this make me feel more connected and motivated. I always look forward to our phone calls.
Me too, Connor. It is comforting to share our thoughts and plans. I am really glad we talked today.
Thank you, Lila. I appreciate your kindness and your helpful advice about the city and our plans. I'm excited for Saturday's art exhibition and our lunch together.
I'm excited too. I will call you later in the week to confirm our meeting time at the exhibition.
That sounds perfect. I'll be waiting for your call.
Great. I hope your work week becomes a little easier and you find time to relax.
Thank you, Lila. I hope your week goes well too, and you enjoy every moment of it.
I will. Thanks again for this lovely chat, Connor. It really brightened my day.
It did the same for me. I always feel happy talking with you on the phone.
All right then, I must get going now. I have a few tasks to complete, but I look forward to our next call.
Me too, Lila. Take care and have a wonderful day ahead.
You too, Connor. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Lila.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.